friends, this is the Robin's Nest by Terry. This is the Outdoor Living Collab. Our host is Shabby Meets Bling, Up All Night DIY, and Jody at Southern Seasons. Please check out their channel in our description box and the playlist in the description box of all the other amazing creators in this collaboration. Today, Terry will be painting something.
Hi everybody, it's Terry here at Painting for Profits with Terry. This was an old, I thought it was enamel, but somebody at one time took this old vintage pot. It was silver. They spray painted it black at one time. That's chipped off, so you see the silver, then you see the black, and then they spray painted it red. So it's seen its better days. I wanted to make it more something that I could display some greenery in for, 4th of July. So what I did is I based in this banner and these flowers white first, and then I used a turquoise and more of a coral is the color combination I wanted on here. On the banner, on the blue, I added stripes, on the pink, polka dots, added some of these cabbage style, not really a cabbage flower, but you'll see it here in a moment, added in some leaves. This is the top, and I come to find out that this glass knob, or this knob is actually glass, so I will try to get that black paint off of there. In the meantime, I want to follow out with my American flag theme here. So I'm just going to add in some white stripes, and then using that coral, we're going to add in coral stripes. Now on the opposite side, I'm going to use that same turquoise, and we're going to make more of a flag pattern here, and we'll end up adding in another flower as well to tie it all in together. While that was drying, I went back, added in a few little lines. We're going to add some eucalyptus leaves here. So I've got the stems done. Now we're just going to take an angle brush and form some leaves. They're going to be dark at first, and then you'll see a little later on, see how some of them are going to be lighter in color. But we will go over those twice. Okay, back to the pot lid. I outlined the stripes with black. This is when I decided that a flower would tie it all together. A few little strips of white for a highlight. And base our flower in white to begin with. Let it dry, and then we're going to do it in the same coral color as the other ones. I'm going to add in some red. That'll be our shadows on the inside. A stencil. We're going to tie it together with some stars. Then I'm going to add in some little liner brush lines in there for some detail. And then using a medium brown, I'm going to make centers for all of my flowers. And then go back in with the end of my brush and add in some dots. While we're here, I decided to add in some shading underneath the flowers and around some of the leaves, just to pull it off the background a little bit. I also put black around the top and the bottom of the pot. And then using the end of the brush, I'm going to add in some branches of more like white berries. This is where I went in and highlighted the leaves with more of a, I think the color was sour apple, the color of the green tipped in white, so it was double loaded. And I went over all the leaves, and then that just really popped out even more color. Okay, back to the pot lid. Again, little dots in there. Added some liner brush strokes in the flower. And now we're going to add in a few leaves. So if you'd like to know more about my painting, you can follow me on Facebook at Create and Sell with Terry. I have a painting membership group that is called Painting for Profits. I do one-of tutorials. And there I did. I added in some greenery, trying to figure out where to place that lid, but right there in the pot makes it look perfect. Thank you for joining me. I hope you watch other videos.